And hello again, I have the Makita impact driver DTD129, and the problem is that the pin holder is broken for this one, so we need to open the front. And we can see that it's just getting out easily. And we have prepared the spare parts, so I will put the anvil, just using small amount of grease here. Putting the anvil, of course the housing, now I need to put the small balls in the anvil. And once again I will use the small amount of grease here. It's needed to hold the balls in place. Now I have two small balls and one going to the one hole and second one the second hole. As they are both are in the hole, putting the sleeve, then goes the spring, the washer, and of course the spring ring. And you can put the spring ring with a special pliers or with a screwdriver. Yep, the spring is here.